My country people, they go through a lot. And our leaders no even want to listen to us. They enjoy for the top, where we no even see food chop. All these things suppose don't stop. We don't tire, so I go speak up. Every day, price of things just dey rise. A mudu of beans don't even pass 1.5. Many people no even fit afford 1 cup of garri, talk more of rice. Omo, we don't tire for this Naija no cap. Because I want to survive for country where everything is just too hard. I hear say Mama Nkechi been dey sick. But she no get money for hospital bills now, so she take die. They turn us to slave for inside our own place. If no be God where they show us in grace, some of us for don't even craze. The problems when Nigerians they face, don't they even show for their face. People know they even smile again. We don't tire for all this pain. Because it can't be like say our efforts just dey in vain. The shege what they see for this Naija don't make our eyes red. Rich person now who fit afford akara and bread. All these things supposed don't end. We don't tire and we won't move ahead.